Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are well. I am your math teacher, Neeru. Now today we start chapter 2, polynomial. Polynomial we are expressed with PE. Now I explain you what is the difference between the polynomial and algebraic expressions. First start from the polynomial. What is the difference between polynomial and algebraic expressions? Polynomial constant into variable raised to power whole number, and algebraic expressions constant into variable raised to power rational number. Now I explain you first what is the meaning of constant, variable, whole and rational number. Constant. Constant means never be changed. Never be changed. For example, I written here 1. Can you able to change the 1? 5. Are you able to change the 5? No. 7, 10. That is the example of constant. Number 2, variable. Change the number. Change the number means it means we can able to change the variable. For example, I write down here 5x. We are able to change this number. For example, here I put the value of x equal to 1. Can I write down 5 into 1? 5. Again I put number here 2. 5 into 2, 10. Now can you tell me I am able to change this value? Yes or no? Yes. So variable means change the number. We are able to change the number with the help of variable. Clear? Next is whole number. Whole number start from 1. Sorry. Start from 0, 1 and 2. And rational number P upon Q form where Q not equal to 0. I already explained to you in the chapter 1. What is the meaning of rational number? P upon Q form where Q not equal to 0. Now, how to write this term? We can write down constant. Any number you can take like 5 into x raised to power 0. You can take 0, 1, 2, 3. But you can't take in fraction like 3 by 4, 7 by 4. You can't take in the fraction. That means this number is called polynomial. Which number? This number is called polynomial. Polynomial, which number is it? Constant into variable raised to power whole number. If you can see that the constant, variable into power in the fraction, you can say that this number is called algebraic expression. Clear? I hope you understand this concept. Next, constant polynomial and zero polynomial. Constant polynomial means, suppose I written here 5. We can write down x raised to power 0. We know that if anything power is 0, any number and variable power 0 is equal to always 1. Any number, किसी नंबर की पावर, any वेरिएबल, किसी वेरिएबल की पावर अगर 0 है तो वो क्या हो जाएगा 1. So constant polynomial 5x raised to power 0. It means here is present According to the our definitions of the polynomial, constant into variable power whole number. Now tell me, my definition is fulfilled here. So this number is also including polynomial. Now we are talking about zero polynomial. Zero. Can I write down here x raised to power whole number? We know that if any number multiply with 0, then number is with 0. So we can write down here any number, any variable you can take. Suppose 0 into x raised to power 7. This number is also 0. Now again I check my definition here. Constant into variable power 4. It means this number is also including polynomial. Now we are discussing about the polynomial. Poly means many. Nomial means term, expression. In our topic, we are discussed about the three polynomial. One is monomial. Mono means one, nomial. Bi means two, two term. Monomial, one term. Binomial, two term. And tri. Tri means three. Now I give one example here, monomial. You can write down 7, 5x, 8x, 20. You can take any example. But I want only one number. Maybe dz, maybe constant into variable, maybe only constant. In the constant you can write down x raised to power 0. So it is also included polynomial. Binomial means two number. 7x plus 2, 7y plus 3. Whatever you can take example here, but I want two terms. Trinomial means three number. Suppose 3x plus y plus z. I give you here one more example. Can please tell me 7x plus 3x plus 2. What is the term of this number? It is monomial, binomial and trinomial. I think so some students say, ma'am, it's trinomial. But it is wrong. It is not a trinomial, it is binomial. How? Both are like term. 7x and 3x both are like term. 7 plus 3, 10, x as it is plus 2. Now, 3 term I convert into the 2 terms, it means this number is binomial. So, don't we go on the numbers. Don't we count the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You just see the sum first. If something is there, first you see. Maybe from the equation, maybe 2 terms are like term, 3 terms are like term, 4 terms are like term, maybe no terms including in like term. So first you can see the sum and simplify the sum. Then you can say that it is monomial, binomial and trinomial. Degree of polynomials. Highest power of variables. Please put that more stress here. Highest power of variable is a polynomial is called degree of polynomial. For example, 7x square plus 5x. That is the highest power x square. 7x cube plus 3x plus 2. Highest power, it means x cube. Now, we are divided into polynomial into the 3 parts. We have a lot of parts, but according to our syllabus, we are having only 3 parts here: linear, quadratic, and cubic. Linear, degree 1 and degree 2. Cubic, degree 3. Degree means power. We just check the power. Now I explain to you. Linear, quadratic, and cubic. First I explain to you linear. According to the degree of polynomial, I written a highest power. It means highest power 7x plus 3. Here is highest power is 1. It means given number is linear. For example, I write down here 7x cube plus 3x square plus 2. Here is highest degree, highest power is 3. It means this number is in cubic form. This number is in cubic form. If I write down here ax square plus bx and plus c, which category it is belongs? Quadratic. Why? Highest power 2. In the linear variables, when we are talking about the linear, you can write down in 1 variable, 2 variable and 3 variable. Suppose I written here 7x plus y plus z. It is also included in linear because here is degree 1 but variable 3. I hope you all are clear about the linear, quadratic and cubic. We just check the power only. Suppose I written here more that number here. Wait, I give you example. 7x square 3x cube plus 7x plus 3 ax square plus bx plus c comma bx plus 3. Now check. Highest degree is 2. Then this number is in quadratic. Highest power is 3. This number is belong to which category? Cubic. Because I don't want to any other. I have no concern with the other number. I am just concerned with the highest degree. And just check that the number of the highest degree. Suppose it is written here ax plus bx plus c, whatever it is written here. But just I check that the highest degree. And highest degree is 2. And this number is belongs to quadratic. And bx plus c. And the highest degree is 1. Then this number is in linear. Clear? Now I explain you the definition of polynomial according to NCERT. A polynomial is one variable x of degree n is an expression of the term. Here I written px equal to a0 plus a1x raised to power 1 plus a2x raised to power 2 plus up to so on an x raised to power n. But here is most important things for you. A and never be equal to 0. ये बेटा कभी भी 0 के equal नहीं होता. If this number is 0, then we can multiply with any number. The all equation convert into the 0. Here I tell you one thing very clearly. I am explain to you what is the difference between the polynomial and expressions, polynomial and algebraic expression. Most important thing is polynomial never be equal to 0. Polynomial never be equal to 0 and algebraic expressions equal to 0. That's why I am written here a and not equal to 0. If this number is 0, it means all equation make us 0. It means px equal to 0. So this number is not in polynomial. This expression is called algebraic expression. That's why I am telling you कि a and not equal to 0. According to the polynomial equation, the equation never be equal to 0, but in algebraic expression equal to 0. Thank you, student. Have a nice day.